All right, so the next bit is we've got column 1, 2, and 3. Um, we can change the background color of all of them. You can see there they're all this sort of grey color. But you can see on the background color there is if we wanted one to be blue, let's say, and then we want the outer one to be blue, and then maybe the other one in the middle to be white. We can do that. It's nice and easy, and we can just put it into the actual coding in there. Um, it's quite nice and easy to do that stuff. So you can see there we go, we've got sort of blue and it's quite nice to just be able to adapt it within the code. If you wanted them all the same colour, you can just sort of go into the column option there and you can just basically add in the background colour which will be picked up by all the columns. So instead of having to type it for each three, but it doesn't matter really which one you do. Okay, so you can see that there. What we're going to do now is we're going to try and populate these things here. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to put in an image. So an image, and I've done some images earlier. Okay, so you can see I've got a bouquet which is cropped because I am going to be a florist. Okay, and that is going to be there. I'm going to put an alt tag in as well, which is, I'm just going to call that bouquet 1. Remember how to spell it. Okay, and then I'm just going to close that off. Okay, and underneath it there, I'm just going to put in price, and I'm going to say £25. Okay, and then I'm just going to get rid of that one there. Let's go back and check what that looks like. So basically all I've done is I've added an image and a price into one of the columns. And there you can see quite clearly that it's in there. All right. So what we can do is I really don't want to sort of keep having to type things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab these bits and in my second column, okay, I'm just going to do the same again. So you can see there I've got quite, but this time I'm just going to change it to bouquet number 2. Okay, and then I'm just going to change the price. It's as simple as that, everyone. Okay, I just need to get rid of these bits if they're not needed. And then underneath in my next column, I've got bouquet 3. I'm just changing my alternative text for screen readers, and this one is going to be £30. Okay, and there we go. So that is as simple as it gets, really. And there are my 3 in one particular row already. Now, obviously, we want to try and sort of adapt this and make it look better, but that is really simple to do. Now, if you want 2 rows obviously go across, um, instead of having to retype everything, all we can do is we can see there that's the row there with the columns. Okay, so we can just grab that, we can copy that, and we can just drop that in. Okay, and as long as you've got all your stuff from earlier and you've sort of done everything, okay, you can just change all the images. Really simple. And that is it. Okay, you can change the prices as well. And very quickly you can have a gallery up and running. I'll come back and explain how we can sort of tidy that up as well.